Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this problem, let us first write about the peak input voltage. So here I can write the value of V1 is equal to V1 dash multiplication P minus P dash by 2, that is equal to 10 by 2. So this value will be equal to 5V. Now consider the ideal diode mode.
Here's a
For
clean and
V1
professionally
is
formatted
for
presentation of the
V1 is
calculations shown in
greater
the
than
image.
0, I can write the value of V0 is equal to V1.
Application
Now
of the work
on
energy
further
theorem,
simplification,
WET. From the
for
work energy
V1
theorem,
is
the force
less
F
than
is given
equal
by
to
F
0.
equals frac
For
tex KE,
V1
where
is less than equal to
KE
0,
equals kinetic
you can
energy,
write the
S equals
value of
stopping
peak value
distance.
of
So I'm
output
given for
voltage
object
as
A,
V0
FA
is
equals
equal
frac
to V1 is
100,000
equal to
0.10.
5V.
For
Now
object
I
B,
can write
FB
the
equals
average
frac
value of the output
225
voltage as
1500 equals
V0
0.15
average
tex space
is
n.
equal
And
to
force ratio
1
frac
by T
FA,
integration
FB
from
equals
0
frac
to
0.10,
T
0.15
V0
equal
dt.
frac 2
So on
newtons.
further
I have a
simplification,
box
this
frac
value will be
FA,
equal to
FB.
1
Would you
by
like a
T
PDF version of this
multiplication
explanation?
integration from 0 to T by 2 5 dt plus integration from T by 2 to T 0 dt. So it will be equal to 1 by T multiplication 5 multiplication T from 0 to T by 2 plus 0. So this value will be equal to 1 by T multiplication 5 multiplication T by 2, which is equal to 2.5V. Now on further simplification, I can use the Ohm's law. The peak diode current is given by ID peak. ID peak is equal to ID peak is equal to V naught by R. So V naught by R is equal to 5 by 200, that is equal to 25 mA. Now ID average value is equal to integration from 0 to T ID peak multiplication dt. So on further simplification, this value will be equal to 1 by T multiplication integration from 0 to T by 2 25 dt plus integration from T by 2 to T 0 dt, which is equal to 1 by T multiplication 25T from 0 to T by 2 plus 0. So it will be equal to 1 by T multiplication 25 multiplication T by 2, that is equal to 12.5 mA. So this is the final value. So finally I can write the value of PIV is equal to PIV is equal to V1 is equal to 5V as the maximum reverse voltage.